Hi guys, okay, you saw me this morning make a big pot of homemade chicken vegetable soup, which we had for lunch. It was delicious. So now I am going to make dessert, and we're going to make pecan pie muffins. And I've got my oven preheating to oh, by the way, hi, I'm Linda from In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda. Glad that you're here. So back to the recipe. I've got my oven on 350. I've got my muffin tins already lined with the little muffin things. And I've got all of my ingredients out, and there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, or maybe 6 with the butter. So let me show you what we got. Okay, we have got 2/3 cup of butter, melted. Make sure we've got everything right. Right here, we've got 2 eggs that are beaten. I've got a cup of packed light sugar, light brown sugar. And I've got a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And then we've got a tablespoon of vanilla flavoring. And I have got, let me see how many, I did a cup and 1/3 of chopped pecans. And that's all there is to it. And all you do is put everything in a bowl and stir it up and be ready to put it in the muffin pan. So here we go. Let's start with the flour first. Get it down. Let's turn the camera. There we go. Okay. Then let's add our brown sugar. And let's go ahead and put in our pecans. It's such a simple recipe, and it tastes just like pecan pie. Okay, let me get I need a spoon to stir it with. Let's get it all together. So the weather here in North Carolina is still gray and very, very cold, and there's snow on the ground, which I'll show it to you in a little bit. And let's see, they're saying it's freezing rain out there, I think, for a while. I don't see any evidence of it on the trees, which is a good thing. And Bert, he's getting ready for the ball game this afternoon. So he'll be back later. And this is like a ball. That's my brown sugar. I need to crunch it, which will be fine. Okay, let's put in our eggs. Anybody likes pecan pie, they'll like this recipe. Okay, then we're going to do 2/3 cup of butter. This is the 1/3 cup measure, so we're going to do it times 2. That's 1. Almost 2. And if you're a little short on that, that's okay. Okay, now let's get this all stirred up. Smells good. So what have y'all been doing all day? Have you had snow and ice and all at your house? I think most of the United States has. Around here it's going to be so cold next week. I doubt the children will go to school for a week. It's not going to melt. Well, oven's ready. We just about got it. Okay, then put about a tablespoon of vanilla flavoring in it. And I just kind of eyeball that. Just stir, stir, stir. Make sure all my brown sugar's done. Okay, let me get my cookie thing. Okay, I use my cookie thing that I do cookies with. And just fill each little muffin thing. And you should come out with a dozen. Well, if they taste as good as they smell, they'd be fabulous with a cup of hot tea. Most people like coffee. And get all of it out. Okay, that's it. It wasn't that simple. Okay, let's go put them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll be right back and try one. Okay, be back in a little bit. Okay, sweet people, here are the pecan pie muffins, and I cooked them at 350 for 17 minutes. They're done. I'm trying to skewer inside of them, and they're done. So let's pop one out and taste it. This will be the perfect ending to a good day. So, okay, let's try one. And they're hot. They just came out. But it makes a dozen. Oh my goodness, they're hot. But isn't that cute? It's adorable. If you only had smell-o-vision, oh my house smells like Christmas all over again. Anyway. Let's let it cool down. It is hot, very, very hot. But this is all we're going to cook for today. We'll be back tomorrow. As long as we got ice and snow, we'll keep on cooking. So if you got any ideas you'd like to see, let me know. And again, thank you for subscribing and sharing and liking our channel. And thumb up. We appreciate that. Okay, let me see if I can take a bite. I'm telling you, they are hot. Let me get a fork. Look at the nuts in that thing. Can you see the nuts? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Let's try it. Oh my goodness, that is good. That is excellent. Now, make myself a cup of hot tea. Bingo. This would be good for breakfast. Good. Okay. Bert's going to be excited when he gets back. So, as soon as he walks in the door, he'll be able to smell it because the house just reeks of pecan pie smell. I love it. Okay. Again, thanks for joining with me, and I'll see you tomorrow.